3, 2, 1. Frost and freeze for some of us again tonight. The cold air is lingering through much of the week. We'll show you when the best chance of precipitation is with Futurecast. Maple. 3, 2, 1. Maple, excuse me. Hello, come here. Come here. Come here. Do you want to be in this tease? Is that what you want? Come here. Just lean up here. I can do this. 3, 2, 1. Another night where we may have frost or a freeze for some of us. And the cool weather, it's sticking around for much of the week. We'll show you when the warm-up finally gets here.
Right down to a sort of local government level. And in that case, do we say, well, and we're improving our systems as a result?
Yes, so that's exactly, so we're hoping so, and it's a learning process. So now we're moving to this new approach of these, local lockdowns. It's part of the learning process to really understand how this is happening. Now, quite honestly, this should have happened a long time ago, in my opinion. But here we are in this situation, and so how can we improve it for the inevitable lockdowns which might come further down the road? We've seen the statistics saying the other hotspots of concern might be in Barnsley and Bradford. And so how can we make sure that they're getting the right data now so we don't have this problem again?
What's your daughter called?
She's called Scarlett.
Scarlett, I think it looks better on the lower shelf. And it's a lovely unicorn. It's a lovely unicorn. Okay, so obviously...
What's his name?
And do stop me if you need to crack on. Do tell us.
What's his name?
My name is Christian.
What's his name?
His name's Christian.
Christian.
Yes.
I'm just deciding where it can go, where Mummy wants it to go.
Oh, right. Where does Mummy want it to go?
I think just on that shelf is great. Thank you. I'm so sorry.
This is the most informative interview I've done all day.
I hate to rush all of you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, some people on the web are saying, why aren't we wearing masks? This happened.
Larry, I haven't talked to you in about a couple of weeks, but I find I still really have nothing to say to you.
It doesn't stop you from talking.
I know. If you're just tuning in, our video, our
My mask just
I
broke.
don't understand how they're seeing it. This is the only camera that works.
Even your mask came.
My mask.
But none of the video.
The mask
how
malfunction.
they're seeing us just on this camera, but they can't. None of the other cameras work. None of the other video works.
Honestly, the fact that you're all rolling with this is why WGN is the GOAT. Greatest of all time.
This has got to be number one.
In the year 2020, we have no chance.
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
This is peak 2020, is it not?
is.
I mean, it kind of is.
One thing after the next.
That's right. That's right.
Well, let's remember, Larry, I see an easel over there, and if I am not mistaken, you are very good at drawing.
Yeah, Artist Gilmore on a horse.
On a horse.
Because I
And
draw
that's-
horses well and Artist Gilmore well.
Now, I'm hearing a standby. Does that mean we might have another camera? This is when we would really like to use Paul Conrad's sock puppet theater.
Well,
Right.
Paul Conrad just chimed in on Twitter here. He said, I woke up for this, heading back to bed. Call me when you need me. Call him when he's going back to bed.
Who needs the news? The news in 2020 is just really a bit overwhelming anyway, right, Lair? So
We got Paul Conrad on the phone right now.
Yeah.
Paul, what's going on?
I'm just calling to say that you guys are doing a great job. It looks like everything's under control.